This study actually is really greatly explains how manifestation works, at least in my eyes. So there's a study done in the 1970s where they took kittens and they raised one group of kittens. They raised them all in complete darkness. They took one group of kittens and they showed them only horizontal lines, horizontal black and white lines. So they're raised mostly in complete darkness, except for a few hours a day where they're shown only horizontal black and white lines. And then a different group was shown only vertical black and white lines. They allowed their brains to develop through, their adolescence. And then when their brains were more developed, their visual systems were developed, they put them in a normal environment with chairs and tables and all the things. And what they found was that the kittens that were raised to only see horizontal lines, they couldn't see vertical objects. They would bump into table legs and chair legs because their brains weren't programmed or wired to see them. The brain develops in a way that helps us survive in our environment that we grew up in. And so the kittens that could only see the vertical lines as they were raised, they would weave in and out of table legs and chair legs and all of that, but they wouldn't jump up onto tabletops or, chairs to perch the way that the kittens that were raised to see horizontal lines would. And so I think that, that study kind of really showed me that if the way that kittens were raised kind of determined what they could then see or perceive in their reality, like what am I missing in my life because of the way that my brain is wired?